Welcome back, viewers. We're gonna draw regice in this Pokemon video. Regice is one of the regitrio, and you've seen me draw most of them. You've seen me draw Regirock, Registeel, Regice. Regirock is my favorite, and the new ones, Regigigas. Regieleki and Regidrago. At least I think. Let me just pull up this page. There we go. Regice is known as the iceberg Pokemon, and it was created during an ice age. Regice's body is frozen solid. Even lava can't melt it. It can lower the temperature of the air around it by several hundred degrees. Okay, guys, let's get drawing, shall we? So you just start with 3 eyes down the middle. Then you just draw another one here. There we go. Now we just draw the rest of his head. There we go. Now we just draw the finger. One of his moves are Lock On, Zap Cannon, Ancient Power, that's an awesome one, and Hyper Beam, one of the strongest moves. Well, one of the strongest normal type moves at least.
You're gonna get burned.
Okay. No, Mom. It's fine. I'll go get one.
Okay, come get one now.
Okay.
How was meatball?
It went well. Hold on, folks. I'll be back in a minute. It tasted delicious. I'll eat after I'm done with this video. I'll eat after I'm done with this video. Alright, folks, I'm back. And now I'm ready to continue our quest for the ultimate design. Let's get started. Here we go. There we go. Here's the other hand. There we go. Dang it. There we go. There we go. Now to fill in the lines here. And that's how you draw regice. Awesome, huh? Anyways, now would you excuse me? I better hit the pool. It's starting to get really salty out here. Stegosaurus, see you later.